Okay. Here I said you about diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic is nothing but two germinal layers are present. One is undifferentiated and the triploblastic is nothing but three well-developed germinal layers are present. Here you see, I already said you here, ectoderm, ectoderm, here endoderm, and this is mesoglia. Okay, here you see triploblastic, three germ layers are fully developed. Here, two layers, outer ecto and inner endoderm. I said you a jelly-like layer called mesoglia is present. Where this mesoglia is present, you have to remember. Okay, in the diploblastic animals where the mesoglia is present, those are present in the cnidarians and ctenophora. Have to remember in the competitive exams, the examples are very needed. Okay, here a three germinal layers, ecto, meso and endo. These are present where we have to remember platyhelminthes and chordates. Next, here you already I said you coelom, a cavity lined by the mesoderm. Where it is present? It is present in between the body wall and gut wall. In between the body wall and the gut wall, that space is called coelom. The coelom separates a muscles of gut and body wall. Based on the nature, coelom of animals is of three types. Coelom of animals is three types. Here again you see acoelomate. Acoelomate, absence means the coelom is not present. Next, pseudocoelom. I think you all read in your previous school age or college. Pseudo is nothing but false mark. Pseudo is nothing but false. Here the coelom is present but is false. Next, coelomate. Coelomate is eucoelomate. Okay, coelom is also called as eucoelomate. Means true coelom. U is nothing but presence. Presence or true. Presence or true. Here the true coelom is present. Where it is? It is present in the body wall, in between the body wall and gut wall. This is a gut wall, digestive tract, and this is a body wall. In between these, coelom is present. Okay, in between these two, the coelom is present. You have to observe the structure. If you observe the structure well, means you can remember what is coelom, where it is present. Where it is present? It is present in between the body wall and the gut wall. Next, acoelomate and pseudocoelomate, true coelom. I already said you, acoelom is absence of coelom and pseudo is nothing but false. Coelomate is nothing but true. Here, a space between body wall and the digestive cavity is filled with matrix. Which matrix? That is parenchyma. Okay, these are present in the poriferans and platyhelminthes. Here, in the pseudocoelomates, the coelom is present in the form of scattered pouches. These are the scattered pouches. Cavity is not lined by the mesoderm and mesoderm is present how? In the pouches model. Next, coelomate, that is true coelom. Okay, here true coelom arises from the mesoderm and it is lined by a peritoneal membrane or peritoneal layer. Peri means outer and the coelom filled with the coelomic fluid. These are present in the annelids and chordates. Where they are present? Present in the annelids and chordates. Next, see here acoelomate where it is present. Observe the picture. The space between body wall and the digestive cavity filled with the matrix called parenchyma present in porifera and platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, what is present? Taenia, Taenia solium, platyhelminthes. Okay, next pseudocoelom. It is present in where Ascarhelminthes, that is roundworms. That is roundworm. See how The structure, pseudocoelom, muzzle layer, body covering, and digestive tract which is present from the endoderm. Next, true coelom. Here the coelom is present in the earthworm. Where it is? In Annelida to Chordata. You observe here. You observe here. Here the coelom is present. Okay. These are the coelomates. Next, functions of the coelom. What are the functions of the coelom? What the coelom functions mean? It accommodates visceral organs. I know you. I think you know very well about the visceral organs are present which are in our body. Next, coelomic fluid reduces friction between visceral organs. It helps in the friction, okay, and it acts as a shock absorber. The coelom acts as a shock absorber in our visceral organs. Metamerism. Here metamerism, I said you, a body contains segments. You see here, segmented body. So many segments are present on the body of the earthworm. This is the earthworm. Okay, earthworm. And what is this? Can anyone tell? This is Nereis. It also contains a body segments and paired legs. Okay, here annelids, earthworm and arthropods. That's why it is relates to Annelida because of the presence of segments. It relates to Arthropoda because it contains jointed legs. Okay, these are the annelids and arthropods. Next, notochord. When coming to notochord, it is a mesodermally derived supporting rod formed on the dorsal side during embryonic development in some animals. Here, a rod-like structure is present. Okay, here a rod-like structure present. This one, pink color. Observe this pink color. This is a notochord. Means in some chordates, a notochord is present, but in some well-developed chordates, a vertebral column is present. Okay, the animals with notochord are called chordates and those without called non-chordates. I already said you, in which notochord is present, they are chordates, and in which notochord is absent, they are called non-chordates. Here, let's see all the phylums in glands. Here, porifera. In porifera level of organization, what ma? Cellular. Here, the cells are arranged in loose. Okay, cells are arranged in loose. Next, the gemmules are present or absent? Absent. Here, body symmetry, how? Asymmetry, radial or bilateral? Mostly A. Some are radial. Coelom. Here in the porifera, coelom is present? No, the coelom is absent. Next, coming to Cnidaria and Ctenophora, the level of organization is tissue. Here the gemmules cells are diploblastic. Diploblastic means endoderm present but mesoderm is absent. Symmetry is radial. Here coelom also absent in the Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Platyhelminthes, organ and organ system level. Here you see triploblastic is there, means 3 germinal layers are developed. Symmetry is bilateral, cut into 2 halves. Acoelomate, here also coelom is absent. Ascarhelminthes is organ system, triploblastic 3 germinal layers, bilateral, and it is pseudo, means the mesoderm is present in the scattered pouches. Next, when coming to Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Chordata, in these all organ system is present. They are triploblastic and bilaterally symmetrical and true coelomate. Okay, understood? This is about the non-chordates and the chordates up to phyla level. Let's see brief in next class.